Hello students, today we are going to solve these questions. You can see on your screen. Your question is, if the domain of the functions, this function is given a square root function, and here it is also, right, is a comma b, then you have to find the value of 1 plus a whole square plus b squared is equals to what, and option is also given, right? So see here, this is a square root function, right? And here it is also a square root function, and inside mod function is also there. Okay, so now what we have to do, individually you will find the domain, right? This function, let's call it fx and gx. We will find the domain of this function, then after we will find the domain of this function, right? Then after we will take the intersection of these two, okay, and we will get the value of a and b. So see here, the first what you will do, let's, you can say case 1. Okay, first you can say case 1, 3x plus 10 minus x square greater than 0. Why? Equal to we cannot take because it is there in the denominator. Okay, and second, x plus mod x is what, greater than 0. So we have two cases, right? This called, let's call it case 2. So first we will solve this one. Okay, so see here, minus x square plus 3x plus 10 greater than 0. So just to remove this negative sign, you can multiply both the side by minus. Okay, so what we can do, x square minus 3x and minus 10, and sign of inequality will be changed. Okay, so now you have to just simplify this. So how will you simplify here? So here it is minus 5 and plus 2. Okay, so you put x minus 5 and x plus 2 less than equals to 0. Okay, so now you can use wavy curve method, right? Wavy curve methods. First critical point is what, minus 2, and the second point is 5. Okay, so here it is plus, here it is minus, here it is plus. So we have to take the negative reasons, right? So what we can do here, x belongs to minus 2 comma 5. Okay, so from case 1, so from case 1 we have got x belongs to minus 2 comma 5. Now from case 2, now you see here, when x is positive, when x is positive, then what happen, mod will open with a positive sign. So x plus x greater than 0, and you can write here 2x greater than 0, and then x will be what, greater than 0. Okay, now when x is negative, when x is negative, then what will happen, modulus will open with negative sign. So here it is x minus x greater than 0. So 0 greater than 0, so this is the false, right? So now what happened, we have found here x greater than 0, and now x belongs to minus 2 comma 5. This is the individual domain of these two functions, right? So now what you will do, you will take the intersection of these two. Okay, so let us start taking the intersection of case 1 and case 2. So first minus 2, okay, then after here it is 5, and now 0. Okay, here it is 0. So now the first, minus 2 to 5, minus 2 to 5, let us take here minus 2 to 5, right, hollow circle, and here it is x greater than 0. X greater than 0 means what, from 0 to infinity, right, from 0 to infinity. So now we have to take the common part. So you tell me which is the common part. Common part is this only, right, 0 comma 5. So x belongs to 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5. So this is the domain of these functions, right? Now you can compare with this a comma b. So with this what we can say, a is nothing but 0 and b is nothing but 5. B is nothing but 5. So now we have to find the value of this. So let us put here 1 plus a value 0 whole square plus b. What is the value of b? B is 5. So 1 plus 25, which is what, 26. So 26 is the right answer. 26 is the right answer of this question.